What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video at some spot I haven't been to in forever. Most of y'all haven't even heard of this spot. Shoe Palace clearance store out in San Bernardino, right across the street from the Inland Center. Let's go check it out. No, most of y'all ain't heard of this spot. Look at that clearance store right there. All right, I haven't been here in over a year. Let's see what they got. They're not gonna have the newest, latest, and greatest, but they did have some deals last time I came. Let's hope to find something. How dare you, man? How dare you guys not buy these so they end up at the clearance store? These are so dope. The forums. Man, dude, this is so ridiculous. Material's just so amazing on these. Man, dude. 100 for those. What, 95? 95 for those. Even comes with the metal tips. Man, dude, these are just so fire. And obviously they got multiple sizes here. That's a 9.5. The other one was a size 9. Ultra Boost going for $120. $130 for these. Stan Smith going for $70. We've seen these Ultra Boosts on sale at plenty of the shoe houses. $110 for those. All right, so much for saying, hey, they're not gonna have the latest and greatest. They do have the Jordan 5s. I don't even know what colorway this is. Seafoam? I don't know. But yeah, material on these are amazing. I'm gonna continue saying that because it is nice. I'm just not a fan of everything else. These are what, $190. Reverse bread mids, canvas mids right here. Seen these everywhere. Even got the grade school ones right here in the grade school Jordan section. Those 6s. Okay, this is just like a women's exclusive, right? Or was it grade school exclusive? I don't remember. Got some grade school mids, some 3s, Cardinal 3s right here. Got some foams in the kids section, grade school. And then got these going for 100 freaking grade school mids at $100 now. Dang. Dude, got the Jordan 1 pine greens. Leather's like extra thin on these. Seeing if they're on sale, since originally they're like what, 65 or something. A little pricey. Yeah, 65. Not on sale though, not on sale. So we're throwing them right back. All right, they must get newer stuff too, because look, the Take Flight shirts, these are pretty new. $35. We just started seeing these like a week ago, right? Oh, they got some other ones on sale. $20 for those. Yeah, more Take Flights right here. These are regular price though, man. Yeah, those are $35. I haven't seen these in forever. Oh my goodness, the 720s. They'll go for $120. I remember the outlets were flooded with these. Man. $100 for those Hirachis right there. And I guess they do got the newer stuff, because look, they got the LeBrons. LeBron 19 lows. These are what, $160? You got Blazers. You got the men's Forrest Gump. Cortezes. Haven't seen these in men's section in a while. I don't think so. Got a whole section of these. $250. These ones that came out for $350 or for $400? I don't remember. Okay. And when I see a whole section, not even exaggerating, yo. Look at that. Shoe Palace exclusive colorway of the 327s. These are going for $50. Okay. I haven't seen these in forever. The Reebok with that symbol on it, with the CrossFit stuff. $40 for these. I haven't seen these in forever, though. Not like they're dope, but I'm just saying I haven't seen them. Do got some Vans. This only one on sale though, $30. These are normally what, $60 or something like that. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm not a fan of this look, to be honest. All the other ones regular price, $60. And then these little ones for, I don't know, girls or kids, $60 for these. Converse section with some sales on Chuck 70s. Well, these are down to $70. I think these are normally $90. Ooh, and this is suede. This is a suede upper. Have I ever seen that before? Wow, those are dope. These are probably like $100 or something, right? Because suede is better than just regular material, right? Regular canvas. Got multiple sizes because there's a couple. Okay. And then also got these. I don't know if these are Chuck 70. Yeah, these are Chuck 70 as well. Looks like a patent leather upper, plastic upper. $80 for these. Okay. Then another one of these suedes. I've never even seen these before. Now I've seen multiple colorways. $70. Suede's like a really good material too. Look at that, dude. Wow. I know the diehard Chuck 70 fans love the Chuck 70s, man. Okay. Regular ones not on sale, 55. All the regular ones, 55, 60 for the highs. Do got stuff on sale at the tables. Oh, what these going for? These are 10.5. There's no price tag on it though. It looks like it was a return, obviously. Oh, $70 still? Really? Oh, y'all need to throw that on sale. Come on now. No box, nothing. Okay, these are down to 20 at least. No box, obviously. Oh, it yellowed. These are new, but it yellowed for some reason. No, okay. Defective pair, I guess. Checking out some sales. Oh, let's check out the size 10s. See what's going on over here. Some Stan Smiths going for 70. Is that even a sale? These are going for 40. Puma suedes. I'm not a fan of that colorway right there. Some New Balance. Oh, the 327s. These are going for 50. Man, nothing too crazy. I'm checking a couple other sections. These are size 8s going for 70. NMDs. Definitely worth the stop if you happen to be in the area. I don't know if it's worth a huge drive like I did, but I figured I'd get videos for all you guys. This is the entire store right here. We did find a bunch of apparel here last time. Do got, what are these, Jordan track jackets. These are normally 80 down to 40. Got large, mediums. Got Kawhi Leonard jerseys. These are swingmans. These are medium down to $32, normally $110. That's small, medium, $32. Jumpman shorts, normally $50 down to $25. What size? Is this a small? Yeah, that's a small. This might be a medium. That's too red for me though, that's all I know. Oh, dude got these? I think everything here is pretty much 50% off, dude. Medium, yeah, these are 60 down to 30. Those are mediums. Got Nike hoodies right here, Jumpman hoodies. These look kind of mediocre in my opinion though. $40, normally 80. Yeah, those are the same ones right there. Have a Nike Day ones, 35, normally 70. These are XLs. Got a large suit. Then if you want to go run and you need to be seen, $30 for these, normally 65. And then yeah, $30 for these, normally $110. Okay. Camo jackets. Small, large, medium, got a few sizes. Okay. University blue. A little bright. But yeah, normally 65 down to 30. These are XL though. Okay, nice. Los Angeles t-shirts. I do have the black one of this. This is a medium, my size, down to $20. I think I bought mine for like 11. I'm cheap as dirt. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait to see if I can find one for cheaper. $20, normally 35, and I'm like, I need it for cheaper. I'm cheap. That's funny. All right, I can't find this others. Oh, they got black ones too. Okay, these are down to 20. I did find mine at the Nike outlets for a little bit cheaper. What are these going for? These shirts right here, these are going for $20 as well. Bunch of Jordan t-shirts for $20. Okay. All right, I think that's about it. Got decent selection, looked around quite a bit. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that was the mall, the Inland Center. That was also the Shoe Palace clearance store. And yeah, that was interesting. Nothing too crazy, to be really honest, but you know, it was better than being at the same malls that I've been to a million times. You know, it's always nice to check out some different places. Not the craziest deals, not the craziest stuff. And that's kind of the way the sneaker world's been, right? I'm going to check out some more Nike outlets because I think the Nike outlets are a little bit more interesting right now. And we'll see. But sneaker game, been hella tough. You know, the resale market, everybody's looking for stuff to resell. So all the deals are gone in a couple seconds. So we'll see what happens. Let's go check out a couple other stores. And yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.